Maintaining your printer can be easy and fuss-free. Reduce downtime to your work process with easy access to the air filter and wiper unit and quick replacement of ink packs. Simplify your printing experience with hassle-free maintenance process. The printer features 2 air filters designed to minimize odors from UV inks during your printing process, enhancing your overall print experience. Changing outer air filter. Go to Maintenance. Select Replace Maintenance Parts. Select Air Filter. Review on-screen message and then select Start. Select How To and follow the on-screen instructions. Open front cover. Lift air filter cover. Remove old air filter using the handle. Put the used air filter into the bag provided and zip up the bag to avoid odors. Insert a new air filter. Close air filter cover and ensure that it is flat. Close front cover. Select Done. Changing inner air filter. Select How To and follow the on-screen instructions. Open front cover. Do not apply force to the area shown. Doing so may cause a malfunction. Lift air filter cover. Remove old air filter using the handle. Put the used air filter into the bag provided and zip up the bag to avoid odors. Insert a new air filter. Close air filter cover and ensure that it is flat. Close front cover. Select Done. Air filter's change is now completed. Depending on usage frequency, Epson recommends changing the filter once every 6 months. The SC-V series comes with an automated head cleaning function. To activate head cleaning, go to Maintenance. Select Head Cleaning. Select Preferred Head Cleaning function. Select all or preferred colors to clean. Click Start. Once cleaning is completed, open the front cover and place a clear film paper on the platen to prepare for nozzle check. Turn vacuum on. Close front cover. On the Print Settings option, select the position to print nozzle check pattern, then click Start. And start printing. Open front lid to identify any missing nozzle on the pattern printed. Select X if there are broken lines on the nozzle check pattern, and O if there are no broken lines. If X is selected, repeat the print head cleaning process. Periodic print head cleaning is recommended to prevent clogging of print heads. The automatic head cleaning function uses the wiper unit to clean any uncured ink residue on the printhead, prolonging the lifespan of the printhead. Changing the wiper unit can be easily done by accessing it from the front right side of the printer. To change the wiper unit, open the wiper unit flap on the right side of the printer. Pull out the wiper unit. Insert new wiper unit. Close the wiper unit flap. And now the wiper unit change is complete. Changing of ink packs can be easily done by accessing the front left side of the printer. To replace the ink packs, open ink pack compartment cover. Pull out the ink tray. Remove depleted ink pack from ink tray. Replace with new ink pack. Insert ink tray back into printer. Close front cover. Ink pack replacement is now completed. Keep your printer running at the optimal condition with fuss-free and easy maintenance procedures.